Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Roblox in mobile devices. So this trick is gonna work for iPhone and also for Android. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top corner and click on the Roblox logo right here and then click on settings, and now all what you have to do is just scroll down and make the graphics mode on manual, and then make the graphics quality as lower as possible like me, and then make sure to turn off those three options down here, and then go back, and here you go, there is no lag at all with high FPS as you can see. Now let's go back and see. As you can see, I'm gonna make it lower because there was a problem. As you can see, there is no lag at all. Don't forget to like, subscribe.